Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 2FA on eBay using SMS or authenticator, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up two-factor authentication on eBay, begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the top left corner and click on My eBay. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account section, you will see options for SMS or an authenticator app. If you choose SMS, provide your mobile phone number. Make sure to enter a number that is accessible to you. After entering your phone number, click on Confirm. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Retrieve the code from your messages. Enter the verification code in the provided field on eBay. Click Continue to proceed. If you prefer using an authenticator app instead of SMS, select that option. Download an authenticator app if you don't already have one. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the app and choose to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the eBay page. Once the account is added, the app will generate a code. Enter the code from your authenticator app back on eBay. Click Continue to confirm. You are now set up with two-step verification on eBay. As an added step, it's recommended to set up backup options. Consider adding a backup phone number or recovery codes. This ensures you have alternative access if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully set up two-factor authentication on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.